We've got two recent requests from users of Adaptable, our AG grid extension, which are quite similar, and they're both around kind of how to override the display content of a cell in certain circumstances. So I thought I would look at them both together in this video. So the first was quite an interesting example, and it's one actually which we've had before. And essentially what they wanted to do was to constrain a value, in this case a number, in a column. So for instance, in this completely ridiculous fictitious data set, let's imagine in this grade column, you never want to have a number above 100. Wherever you see anything over 100, you want to show 100. And that's easy to do in Adaptable because it's a condition with a display format. So let's do that now. So we create a format column. It's on the grade column. We say the condition is on the grade column, and it's going to be where it's greater than 100. And as we say, in this time, just show 100. And there we are, that's all we do. So wherever it was over 100, we see 100. The underlying value is still not changed. You can see here that's 108. But the value in the cell shows 100 rather than the underlying value. So that was the first thing they wanted to do. And then a different user had something else which was connected. And what they wanted to say was they wanted really to ignore the cell value under certain circumstances. So for instance, let's imagine for us, wherever the currency is, say, euro, whether it's EUR, we don't want to have any grade at all. For whatever reason, for euros, we want to show NA. How do you do that? Well, it's very similar. You again create a format column. Again, Adaptable knows it's on grade. And again, it's a predicate. But the only difference is this time you're creating your rule not against the column itself, but against another column. And in our case, that column was currency, the predicate was equals, and I think we said EUR. And then in this case here, we've created our condition, and now in our display format, we can put anything we want. And there we are. Wherever it's EUR, it's NA. We've still got our 100 rule for those which are under 100, over 100, and NA for wherever we have EUR. So there we are, two format columns which allow us to change what the user sees in the column based either on the column itself or based on other columns without changing the underlying value. As always, thank you for watching. If you'd like to know more about Adaptable or have a personalized demo or request a free no obligation trial license, please get in touch and we look forward to hearing from you.